I've been using the Charles Schwab checking account for a while now, and in this video, I'll share my honest and unbiased review. I'll cover all the key features, benefits, potential risks, and considerations. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of whether the Charles Schwab checking account is the right choice for you. Key highlights of the Charles Schwab checking account. This account is designed with investors in mind, offering no account maintenance fees and earning recognition like the JD Power Award for customer satisfaction in the direct banking segment for 6 consecutive years. Benefits worth noting: 1. Move money quickly. You can transfer funds seamlessly with an efficient and user-friendly platform. 2. Ditch the fees. You can enjoy no maintenance or activity fees, making this account cost-effective for users. 3. Travel with confidence. You can use your contactless debit card worldwide, knowing your money is safe and accessible. 4. 24/7 assistance. You can get round-the-clock support, ensuring help is always available when you need it. 5. Secure banking. You can rely on advanced security features to keep your funds and information safe. Pros: fee-free banking, travel-friendly, integrated with Schwab investments, award-winning customer satisfaction, excellent mobile banking tools. Cons: no high interest rates, online-only banking, delayed transfers. More features: award-winning service, consistently ranked among the best in customer satisfaction for direct banking. Mobile app convenience. Manage your finances anytime with the Schwab mobile app, offering on-the-go banking. This Charles Schwab Investor Checking Trademark account is truly tailored for individuals who value cost-effective and secure banking, with the added benefit of no fees to worry about. As always, it's wise to consult a financial expert to ensure this account meets your specific needs.